All right, these are our Pillsbury pumpkin sugar cookies in our greased 9x13. We're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. All right, we took these out of the oven and let them cool for about 20 minutes. We're instantly gonna come in with the best Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake, and we are gonna add a layer of this no-bake right on top of those delicious Pillsbury cookies. Those are my favorite cookies in the whole entire world. They are just so sweet and so fun. I mean, how could anyone not love those cookies? So we're just adding a nice little layer of this fluffy, delicious no-bake cheesecake. All right, that looks perfect, and we have some leftovers to taste test later. We're gonna go ahead and move this to the side and bring in a big bowl and a whisk, and into our bowl, we are gonna add a box of our instant chocolate fudge pudding. All right, in there, that whole box. This is the 3.3 ounce box. And then we're gonna add a box of our white chocolate pudding. Combining these two just takes this to a whole new level. I absolutely love these two together. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of cold whole milk into our pudding. Slow and steady. Perfect. It is time to whisk this together until it becomes nice and thick and delicious. Now, I know white chocolate isn't everyone's favorite, so you can replace the white chocolate with a vanilla pudding or a cheesecake pudding or even a coconut pudding. But I think dark chocolate, white chocolate, it's so Halloween, it's so festive, and it's so yummy. So let's just make sure we get this well combined. Slowly starting to get thick, but we kind of want it to be a little bit liquidy for this next step, because we're gonna bring back our cookie cheesecake 9x13, and you know it, we're pouring this right on top. And this just makes it so easy. Cover that cheesecake, cover those cookies with all of that deliciousness. And I'm gonna scrape this bowl off camera. All right, now we're gonna finish this off with some Cool Whip right on top of that chocolate, white chocolate pudding. And we're gonna just kind of do scoops of that so that we don't ruin our layers, our beautiful cookie, cheesecake, pudding, whipped topping layers. This is so great for Halloween, just a fun, festive, delicious dessert. And we're gonna use majority of this, but we're gonna just make sure we get a layer of that Cool Whip completely covering that pudding. All right, and that doesn't need to be perfect because we are gonna top this off with some sprinkles, some fun Halloween sprinkles. So we have the cookies, we have the sprinkles. It is gonna be so festive. And we're just adding a good layer of these sprinkles so that people know what they're about to eat, and that is a Halloween treat. All right, now this is gonna go in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Oh my goodness, our spooky dessert. Look at the bottom, look at those layers. Cookie, cheesecake, pudding, Cool Whip, sprinkles. These are getting spooky. All right, let's go ahead and go in with our knife and cut through that cookie, our spatula, and get under there. Oh. Okay. See that bottom? Boom! Oh, look at that.
I want to see the layers.
It looks so good. Wow. Oh my gosh, you can kind of see it in there too. The Cool Whip probably ruined some of the layers, but you know what? It tastes good, so I'll let it happen. Ooh, a bite with everything.
It's gotta be good.
I know you guys hate when I do that eye thing, but I can't help it. It's so good.